Hi guys, it's Casey. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a basic crochet patterns. Let's start. First we have to do the slip knot. So hold the end of the yarn between your fingers, grab the working yarn, pull it over, and now pull it through the loop. Now we are ready to make the first chain stitch. So place your hook under the yarn over and pull through the loop. First chain stitch. Repeat the same in a row as many times as you need for your work. For a single crochet we have to start with the chain stitch, which we already know how to make. So now place your hook into second loop from your hook, yarn over the hook and try to pull it through the loop. You will have two loops on your hook now, and again yarn over and pull the yarn through both loops. Again, hook inside, yarn over, pull through, two loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. That's how you create a single crochet. Half double crochet requires one extra step before placing the hook inside the loop. So yarn over first and place the hook into third stitch on your chain stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And again, yarn over into next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Double crochet, we are going to start again with yarn over your hook before placing it into the loop, and you will be placing it into 4 stitch on your chain stitch. Yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, but pull only through first 2. Yarn over and pull through the second 2. Again, yarn over, put the hook inside the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, second 2, and that's the double crochet. Triple crochet requires again extra step and placing hook into 5th stitch. So wrap the yarn twice around your hook and place it into 5th stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and now you have 4 yarns on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, second 2, yarn over, last 2 loops, and repeat. Yarn over twice to the chain, yarn over, pull through, and each time hook 2 loops. First 2, second 2, last 2 loops. That's how you build triple crochet.